Welcome back guys to BMK Shots, and today I'm going to show you all a history hack in Photoshop. So many a times we find ourselves in the issue of going back or redoing after we make a mistake on Photoshop, but as you can see I can redo as much as I want. So this video is just about it, so ride on with me as I pull you through. So first of all, we'll come to edit, then preferences, general, then performance, then just increase your history state to 1000. I don't know what the default is, but mine is set to 1000 and I can redo countless times. Even 900 times, but I don't need it. So this is it. So see you all in my next video, and until next time, good luck and good editing.